Mistake on nitrogen selection. This is one that I introduced you before, is one of the mostly mistake. Why? Because there are several considerations. The purity of nitrogen generators in terms of oxygen and moisture is very important, and this is the results of the technology used. Consider that Claind is known on the laboratory market to have developed one specific patent, the fast purity, in order to maintain high purity in a few minutes after the startup and maintain the high purity after long time of operation. Other story is the purity of nitrogen, speaking about total hydrocarbons and why we can make our advice concerning hydrocarbons removal, because we are using simply the PSA technology. The technology cannot have oxygen and moisture at low level and cannot have hydrocarbons removal, because this technology, the membrane technology, is not removing well hydrocarbons and oxygen. After we will see what are the difference between PSA and membrane. The average life of the generator that depend compared in this case with other PSA technology that Peak and other Parker they are using, for example, is some consideration concerning the quality of carbon molecular sieve used. We have an history of more than 30 years selecting carbon molecular sieve. We made research, we made a patent on that. Then we are, in other words, we are not new on developing nitrogen generator at high efficiency and high purity. And in all this year, we met several proposals, and then we had the possibility to select specific carbon molecular sieve to do the job that we are looking for. Then high quality carbon molecular sieve to be used for ultra high purity nitrogen. Another matter is also the packaging technology, the packaging technique of the columns. The carbon molecular sieve can fall down into the column and then close the column. It doesn't matter. But we know very well that the PSA technology is flowing air in one side and then nitrogen and air in the other side continuously for life. What means that? It means that there are the potentiality of carbon molecular sieve movement inside to the column. And this is not good for the life of carbon molecular sieve and not good for the efficiency of carbon molecular sieve. Then our main job is also to fill and pack the columns using a specific technology in order to put the molecular sieve inside to the column, but introducing them in different direction. First in one direction, after in another, making vibration. Be sure that at the end of the packaging, molecular sieve are not moving inside due to the different flow of air and nitrogen into the column. In this case, we prevent that the movement of molecular sieve, we prevent that molecular sieve are generating powder, and then we prevent that molecular sieve are losing their efficiency. Also, this technology is something that, how to say, when you buy a nitrogen generator, some customers say, come on, there are two columns from them, two columns from here, always are two columns. Yes, it's true. If you see only at the end, if you are looking to decrease the price, probably is one of some question or complaint you can make, but that two columns can be filled with different molecular sieve, with this different technology, and the two columns can be managed in the flow with a different managing system, different system controlling flow, timing, and so on in order to have the high purity. Then also the size of the column and the height and diameter are another important thing in order to develop and have the proper quantity of nitrogen produced. There are many things to say. Of course, the winner is who know better the technology. In this case, we can say that we know the technology. Probably there are other companies that they know very less this technology with molecular. And this is one speaking PSA and carbon molecular sieve